Hello, and welcome to Learning with Michael. I'm Michael, and today we'll talk about positivity, how thinking positively can change your life. At the end, I'll also share some useful English words and phrases to help you expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. Positivity is about focusing on the good things, even when life is difficult. When you stay positive, you can handle challenges better. The good news is that you can train yourself to be more positive. The first step is changing how you think. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, try to think about what's going well. For example, if you're facing a tough task, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I can do this with effort." Positive thinking helps you feel more confident and motivated. Another important part of positivity is gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for the good things you have. You can start each day by thinking of 3 things you are grateful for, like your health, family, or a good meal. Gratitude shifts your focus to what's good in your life. Spending time with positive people is also important. When you are around people who encourage and support you, it's easier to stay positive. But if you're with negative people, it can be hard to stay positive. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and make you feel good about yourself. Taking care of your body also helps you stay positive. Regular exercise, good sleep, and healthy food are important for feeling good. When you feel good physically, it's easier to think positively. Make sure you rest well, eat healthy foods, and move your body every day. Another way to stay positive is practicing self-compassion. Sometimes we can be too hard on ourselves, but when you make a mistake, instead of saying, "I failed," say, "I made a mistake, but I can learn from it." Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, just like you would treat a friend. Now let's review some useful words. Positivity means having a good attitude. Example: positivity helps you face challenges with confidence. Gratitude means being thankful for what you have. Example: practicing gratitude can make you feel happier. Encourage means to give support or motivation. Example: friends encourage each other to do their best. Self-compassion means being kind to yourself. Example: self-compassion helps you handle mistakes better. Try using these words in your daily conversations. Remember, positivity is not about ignoring problems. It's about choosing to face them with hope. By changing your thoughts, practicing gratitude, surrounding yourself with positive people, taking care of your body, and being kind to yourself, you can create a more positive life. Thank you for listening to Learning with Michael. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who might find it helpful. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.